Good evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Sunday, June 27th, and we are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. It is a one-box break. We randomed up our 33 remaining box numbers, and we got number 67. We did random teams for this on your left. We've already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a chance to trade. Had a bunch of offers, but nothing actually went down. Come on, man. Down. So here we go, hoping to finish off on a big hit. Well, guys, not a monster, but a nice hit, and you're on the right track, bud. You're lucky in trade there, though, Mark. Bam! That is going to be the Ray Lewis Baltimore Eclipse Authentic. That is going to Mark. A Mark that had a little bit of a tear in the decal there. But card and sticker on that, Mr. Ray Lewis. That is going to go to Mark Holderfield there. He's going to one slot that one, guys. I'm very sorry, everybody else. Mark going to take that. That's actually Mark's first hit in a little while there. Congratulations, Mark. I'm actually going to take that card and stuff it down in the back here. All right, Mark, is that going to you or Josh, bud? All right, guys, I'm very sorry, everybody else. At least we finished with a little better hit, guys. Not one of our monsters, but definitely a better hit there. Mark, one slot net. Oh, guys, hopefully tomorrow we'll get back to one of those good nights where we have 3 or 4 or 5 big hits in a row, guys. Said last couple days we've been pulling like crazy. Tonight we just hit a little soft. I'm sorry. But we got Mark Kells and Terry Evans going to be the qualifier 75-76. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Break.